Hey everybody, it's Ali from Vintage Page Designs. I just want to show you very quickly the papers for April 2018. Yeah, get the year right. It's hard to take pictures on the website sometimes, like the colours don't come out right, so I thought maybe a video would work. This is the blue larkspur paper, which is like one of my most popular when people take classes. Hopefully you can see the blue flowers. The blue flower petals in there and the leaves. That's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then another one of my favorites. This is a really thick paper. It's the sage green floral. Hopefully you can see the texture there of the broom flowers are embedded in it, and you can't see. Hopefully you get a sense of quite how thick it is. It's really thick and nice. Great for covers. The third one is the white embossed daisy. These daisies are about 3 inches across. Another really popular paper. Looks really great on book covers, so that's really nice. I love this one. It's great as end papers. It's just a great neutral, but it's got a little interest with the dill. These are tiny pieces of dill. It's double-sided. So it works nicely wrapped around signatures or as end sheets, and I just really like this paper. I think it's really versatile. Hopefully I'm holding it in the light okay. So you can see, definitely see this bright blue one. This is the Atlantic Blue Luster. Again, really nice and thick. Got a very slight luster, and you have to sort of hold it up to the light to be able to see the luster. But it's a really gorgeous rich blue, which I think coordinates nicely with the larkspur and also with the green. And then finally, last but not least, is the white. I have various weights of the handmade white paper. This is a slightly lighter one, and it's going to be great for the signatures. For the book we're going to make in our project, but also for folded signatures as well. We're using it in a single sheet binding, but this is also great for folding. It's got some nice flexibility. So that's the final one, the white, which is really luscious. So that's it, folks. There's the papers for April: blue larkspur, sage floral, white daisy, the dill, the blue Atlantic, and the lovely white. Hope you enjoy. Thanks.